Hi, this is Craig Phillips, founder of Quality Water Treatment, also known as Craig the Water Guy. I hope you're doing well today. I want to go over our Quantum High Efficiency Water Softener. The Quantum Water Softener is built by the second largest water treatment manufacturer in the world. Because it's built as a complete system, it is third-party rated through a company called IAPMO, which is similar to WQA, Water Quality Association. It has been given a platinum approval, a seal through IAPMO. Most water softeners on the market today do not have a third-party rating. They do not have an approval, a seal as a complete system, only by components. And the reason for that is because the majority of your softeners built out there, like the Fleck and Clock, for instance, they're built by components from different manufacturers by a warehouse. So what happens is the warehouse will order the Fleck valve or Clock valve, whatever valve they're using, from that manufacturer. And then they'll order the brine tank and the the mineral tank from other manufacturers. And then they built the system per specification on the orders that they receive from their dealers. So because of that, they cannot be third-party rated. So the Quantum system does have a big advantage over a lot of the other systems out there just because of that alone, and it's being shipped directly to you from the manufacturer, so there is no warehouses or anything like that handling it, except for the manufacturer themselves. The system also carries a very good warranty. It carries a 7-year control valve warranty and a lifetime warranty on both of the tanks. Most water softeners out there carry anywhere from a 1-year to a 5-year warranty. So the warranty is superior with this system. This system is a high efficiency upflow system. The upflow part, the water flows downward through the distributor tube here, and then comes up through the resin. So it's constantly filtering through the resin bed. So you get 100% saturation instead of 75% saturation with your downflow systems. Because of that, it will save you up to 75% salt per regeneration and up to 64% of water per regeneration. A lot of these salt water features are also within the control valve itself. The control valve has a lot of different high efficiency settings on it, such as variable brining, which only uses a small percentage of brine that is actually needed instead of using the full brine every time the system regenerates, which is a huge savings to you on the salt. Quality Water Treatment has been in business for over 30 years. We're a family-owned and operated company, and we're here to help you get the best water for you and your family. If you have any questions, please give us a call at the toll-free number on our website, or use our contact us link and send us an email, or use the live chat during business hours, and a representative will be more than happy to answer your questions and get you the right system. If you're not sure exactly what you need as far as size goes and stuff like that, or you want to compare other systems, you can go to our sizing calculator link here, and that will take you to our sizing calculator page. You can go ahead and fill out some information that's on there, and it will go ahead and come up with a water score for you, and it'll actually recommend the proper equipment for you based on your specifications and needs that you input it. So again, please give us a call or contact us by the email contact us link, or shoot us a text, or use our live chat. Thank you very much and have a great day.